2020, question 37. This one, please put a star on it. If you are, I think that most of you can have I can do it by the normal method, but you probably need 3 minutes to do so. Okay, for the normal methods, then you need to times the 1 minus I over 1 minus I to the set 1 and 2 plus I over 2 plus I to set 2, and then you get the imaginary part, and get the imaginary part equals to find the k, and then you do the subtraction, which is very long. So how can you use your calculator to minimize your time needed? Okay, but before that, okay, before we start our skills, remember, okay, if you are not my students before, please uh make sure that you already know 10,000 best skills. Otherwise, you may not uh follow in this video. Okay, so let's start. So for set one, actually you in the normal step you have to multiply the 1 minus I over 1 minus I. So actually we already know that our denominator is 1 plus I times 1 minus I. So it will look like this. Okay, something plus something I. And our denominator will be 1 plus I times 1 minus I. So it will be 2. And what is our new denominator? Then what can we do? So we store 10,000 into x, and then we substitute the k into x. So we change it into x 10 equals to 10,000. Your k will become x. So let's do it. 2 plus xi over 1 plus I. This value, okay, you don't know what is it. No worry. Just times the 1 plus I and 1 minus I. Now you get 10,002. Okay, this one, it means what? You have minus 2 to make it becomes 10,000, right? So it becomes minus 2, plus 2 here, sorry, plus 2, and then k plus 2. Next one, for the imaginary part, you get 9998. You plus 2 in it, so it becomes minus 2, and you get 10,000. So later on, 10,000 is k. So you already get the imaginary part very quickly. Then set 2. Again, you will times the 2 plus I over 2 plus I. And we already know that your set 2 will become something plus something I. For the new denominator, it will become 2 plus I times the 2 minus I. It will be 5 at the end. How about the new denominator? Store your x becomes 10,000 again. And then x plus 5i over 2 minus I, 2 minus I. You don't know this value, it's okay, but just times the 2 minus I and 2 plus I. You see something. 19995, you plus a 5, so it becomes minus 5, and you get 20,000, so 2k is the real part. And then shift easy, you get 10,010. So minus 10 here, you get a plus 10. And then 10,000 means that k. So you also get these imaginary parts. As you know that the imaginary part set 1 and set 2 are the same. So you will set another equation. K minus 2 over 2 equals to k plus 10 over 5. So you will set a linear equation to solve it. Okay. Then this part, how can you calculate quickly the skills here? Because k is a linear with no square here. Okay. So then we can substitute k equals to I. Oh, this one will be a little bit clumsy, but no worry. Just watch the video again, and understand what I'm doing. Substitute k equals to I and press it in your calculator. Make your left hand side minus your right hand side equals to 0. So let's see. I minus 2 over 2 minus the I plus 10 over 5. Then you get negative 3. So you write negative 3 here. and then shift exe, then this one will be your k. Okay, 3 over 10i, but your I is actually your k. So plus 3 over 10k equals to 0. Then this one it helps you to simplify your linear equation to be this way. Then what you need to do is just to change the position of -3 and then times 10 divided by 3. So 3 times 10 divided by 3. So your k will becomes 10. If I know that my k is 10, please substitute into Z1 and Z2, and you do the Z1 minus Z2. Then everything is done. Store it in A. For example, 2 plus AI divided by 1 plus I, and then minus A plus 5I divided by 2 minus I. Now you get 3. Then C will be your answer. This question combines of different skills, so please watch it again and again to make sure you understand the 10,000 skills, the substitute I skills, okay, and finally you press your calculator.